welcome back to my channel for another new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have a review on the new Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. I have the shampoo, conditioner, as well as the hair mask. Oh, Jesus! As well as the hair mask from the line, and I tried these out yesterday, and this is the results of my hair. So I mean, can you guys tell like how nice it looks right now? I'm just saying, honestly. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you guys are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below by hitting that subscription button. Also make sure to hit that little bell right next to it because it notifies you every time that I upload, and sometimes YouTube doesn't like to send my videos to your subscription boxes, so it will notify you every time I upload, which is Tuesday, Friday, and Sundays for you guys. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I show you guys a demo of how the products did in my hair as I was washing it in the sink. And I show you how I apply the deep conditioner as well as the conditioner to my hair. And yeah, if you guys want to see my review on these products, let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so getting started, I just wanted to show you that I'm just dampening my hair here to get ready for the shampoo. The shampoo is almost like milky. I don't know how to describe it, but I really like the way that it felt in my hair. Of course, with the first lather, I'm sorry, it doesn't really like suds up a lot. I don't think this doesn't, I don't remember if this has sulfates or not. I will check for you guys, but with the first lather, it didn't really get super sudsy, but that's just like my cleansing lather to get rid of like all the like builds up like right on the top of my scalp and everything. But this shampoo is really nice, guy. It really smells amazing, and it leaves your hair super moisturized. It doesn't strip it completely of all of its natural oils and stuff, but it does leave your scalp really, really clean. So I just went ahead and massaged this with my fingertips on my scalp, and letting the rest kind of just run through my hair as I rinsed it out. As you guys can see at the nape of my neck, all of my new growth that is coming in. So I just went ahead and massaged this into my head and went ahead and rinsed that out. Rinsing it out, like I said, my hair felt really, really soft and manageable, which I really enjoyed. It was super, super hydrated. So I went ahead and applied a second round of the shampoo. I always wash my hair twice, sometimes 3 times, depending upon how dirty my hair is. My hair wasn't too dirty this week because I didn't use too much product on it this week, so I'm just going ahead and massaging it in. As you guys can see here, my hair is lathering up a lot more than it did with the first wash. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked in my hair. I didn't want to just show you guys the product and tell you how it was. I wanted you guys to be able to see. So as you can see, it does suds up a lot, and I really like that because it feels like I'm getting my hair super clean. I don't like shampoos that don't like really suds up. I know that is the sulfates in it, but I really like it, so that's what I do. So now I'm going ahead and applying the conditioner from the line. This is just the regular conditioner, not the deep conditioner, and this stuff is so thick, guys. It is super thick. Like you guys can see, like it is not runny or loose at all. So I just take that and apply that in my hands, and as you guys can see, it's super thick when I rub my hands together. So I just wanted to show you guys how the product looked. And this is just t-shirt dried hair. I just had it in my t-shirt while I cleaned up a little bit, like for not even 5 minutes. So I'm just applying this to my hair. I could have definitely applied more, but I just wanted to see how the product was before I went hard in the paint with it, you know, because I can go hard on conditioner. I almost picked up the shampoo here, guys, which was so funny. But this product is super thick. It is a little hard to get out of the bottle, which I don't enjoy. I wish they maybe have put a pump on it just so that it would be easier to squeeze out. But I'm just applying a little bit more to my ends just because I know that is the driest part of my hair. So I went ahead and applied this to my hair and then put on a shower cap, and I left this in for about 10 minutes, and as you guys can see, my hair looks super smooth here. So I just go ahead and tie it up on the top of my head and leave it on for 10 minutes. Now if I was in the shower, I would go ahead and bathe, shave, do the whole 9, but since I was doing this in the sink so you guys could see, I just went ahead and left it for 10 minutes while I cleaned up a little bit. For this part of the video, I wanted to go ahead and with the deep conditioner in person, like talking with you guys, but so far my hair feels so nice and so smooth. Now the shampoo I really do like, but it's not topping my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow conditioner from Shea Moisture. That is my absolute favorite shampoo. I'm pretty particular with shampoos because I do wash my hair, you know, so I want my shampoo to be moisturizing but also not strip my hair. This one didn't strip my hair. I think this is definitely top 2. I will definitely alternate between those two because the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one, the way it just leaves my hair, no shampoo has left my hair that way since that one. So this one was a very close second. But I also used, as you guys saw, the regular conditioner that you can use for like 5 minutes. I might use that as a co-wash because my hair, guys, feels so soft. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, it just feels like I could like run my fingers through it. Like, that's how soft it is. So I just took my hair out of my, whatchamacallit? It's not a towel. It's a t-shirt. I couldn't remember the name of that thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of, not necessarily part it really specifically, but just kind of take it in half like this. I need to go get a spray bottle of water, so I will be right back. Okay, so we're back. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm actually testing out right now, and this is the Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. It says pure honey, rich coconut oil, creamy shea butter, no sulfates, and no mineral oil. So this is the deep conditioner, I guess, from the line. So I'm just going to go ahead, and my hair has been drying so fast recently. It's actually like kind of blowing my mind. And also, I will have in the description box how many weeks post relaxer I am. That way you guys can get like an accurate idea of like where I'm at in my relaxer journey. I'm taking this much and just dropping it on my hand. This is what it looks like. It's not super runny, but it does like have a little movement to it, but it's not super thick either. But this is what it looks like on my hands. It kind of like looks like my skin tone of my hands. So, oh, this is nice. I like the way it feels so far. It's giving me a lot of slip, which I like. Definitely need some more. This is kind of like a weird consistency for a deep conditioner, I feel, because like it's not like a super creamy. It almost feels like gel, if that makes sense. Like, it's just super weird, but like I said, it is giving me a lot of slip, which I do enjoy. I want to get some definitely on these roots, girl. This is what needs it. On my new growth. I'll do this last section on camera, and then I'll go ahead off camera and do the rest. Oh yeah, I really like the way this feels. Like I said, it's like a gel almost. I don't know how to describe it, but my hair is loving it too. It's like drinking it up. Get those edges, girl. Yeah, this is super like, it's not creamy like you know how like a lot of deep conditioners are creamy. This one is different. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm not mad at it, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair off camera, and I'll show you guys once I have everything done. I was just watching a funny video Anyway guys, this is what the conditioner is looking like. You guys can see it is leaving a little bit of a cast on my hair, but I think once I let it sit for a little bit and soak into my hair, if you will, it'll soak in and the white cast will be gone. So I'm going to, it says to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, what we're not going to do is that. So I'm going to leave it in probably for like a half an hour or so. It says the directions say to, after using the Dry Defense shampoo, evenly apply a generous amount to clean wet hair from roots to end, concentrating on dry or damaged areas. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. For rapid restoration, apply it after applying mask. Proceed with hair steaming or sit under a hooded dryer with a plastic cap. Use weekly for best results. So that is what we're going to do, except we're going to sit for like a half an hour or so, and with the plastic cap or whatever, and I will come back when in a half an hour I'll come back, show you guys how my hair looks, and then we'll rinse it out and we'll chat later. Alright, we're back. It has almost been an hour. That's just because I ate dinner, so I am full and happy, and now this video can commence. So, my hair feels really moisturized. I think that the conditioner absorbed really well into my hair. I didn't sit under the heated dryer like I said. I just let the conditioner do its thing, chicken wing. So, I'm gonna go ahead, rinse this out. I'll show you guys what it looks like rinsed out, and then I will come back. Okay, so I just finished rinsing out the deep conditioner, and my hair feels really nice. It actually feels super moisturized, and like my new growth feels like super soft, which is really, really nice. It's not like as hydrated and moisturized as I thought it would be, but like not in a bad way. Like I just think maybe I was just expecting a lot more, which is totally like, you know, not the product's fault. But yeah, I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead, do my roller set and everything, and then I'll come back to show you guys the finished results of my hair. Okay, so my final thoughts on this product line is I love everything, I really do. The shampoo, like I said, I just have a really, really passionate relationship with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo from that line. That is just my favorite shampoo, so it's really hard for me to fall in love with another shampoo that doesn't make my hair feel the way that one does. This one is a very, very close second, like I said previously. It's just that I just love the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil one, and it just does, that one just does so much that so many other shampoos have not. This one did come the closest that I have found to that one, so I'm definitely going to probably repurchase this and use it alternatively between the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one and this one, just so that my hair doesn't get used to it. Because my hair, I have found, has gotten used to the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one, so I think that this will be a nice change in my hair. As for the conditioner, I really, really, really like this. I think I'm definitely probably going to use this as a co-wash for my hair. This line, I picked it up at Walmart. It was $5.97, I think, for all the products. This might have been $6.97 if I'm not mistaken, but I know that these two were definitely $5.97. This left my hair so soft. This actually left my hair more soft than the hair mask did, which I felt was really, really strange. But I feel like sometimes a lot of conditioners which are like the like quick, like 5-minute rinse out conditioners, can leave your hair really moisturized because they are like specifically meant to be left in your hair for like the 5 minutes that you're in the shower or washing your hair or whatever. But I really, really like this. This is super duper thick. If you guys don't like thick conditioners, you're probably not going to like this. And these products, they do smell like honey, but I feel like they're more floral, personally, to me. It's definitely a sweet smell. It's not anything that's like musky or like boyish smelling by any means. It's definitely a sweet scent, so if you guys like that, you'll definitely like this as well. But I love this conditioner. Like I said, I probably will end up using it as a co-wash just because it left my hair cleansed. It didn't like add any like oil to my hair, if that makes sense. After I used the shampoo, it just like rebalanced my hair and made detangling really easy for me. So I actually really like this one. I didn't think I was gonna like this because it is so thick, and sometimes thick conditioners in my hair can leave my hair really weighed down, but my hair is super flowy and super nice and so moisturized. As for the hair mask, I'm iffy on it. I think I definitely have to add heat to it. I think that's what was missing with this one. It says that on this, to like amp it up, pretty much use under a hooded dryer or with a plastic cap, or steam it. Use a hair steamer. I don't have a hair steamer. I definitely want to purchase one in the near future, but this was great. I just felt like it could be better, although it did leave my hair, as you guys can see, my hair is super shiny right now. Like, it's super hydrated. It doesn't feel dry, like it's gonna break off, and especially my new growth, it feels really honestly moisturized. Not even gonna front. But I just feel like, also comparing this to the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one from Shea Moisture, that one just leaves my hair like I can finger comb it. You know, I could finger comb my hair with this one, but I could actually finger comb my hair better with this conditioner than this one. But I think I'm going to try this again with heat under my heating cap, and I'll let you guys know how that works. Do I recommend this line of products? I definitely do. I really do like them. Like I said, the shampoo doesn't compare to my Jamaican Black Castor Oil, but I do really like it, and I will continue to use it, and I probably will repurchase it. This I definitely will be using for co-wash. I probably will repurchase it because the way it left my hair feeling after I rinsed it out after 5 minutes was truly amazing, and it left my new growth super moisturized, which I really appreciate. It just makes detangling so much easier and so much easier to handle. This, like I said, I will try this again with heat, and I will give you guys an update either on my Instagram or on my blog. Definitely go down below to check out both. Make sure to follow me on Instagram to keep up with what products I'm using and what products I'm trying out if you guys don't follow me already. But yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this review and demo of the new Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. If you guys want me to try out any other hair care line, definitely let me know by leaving a comment down below so that I can try out the products. And if you guys have tried these products, definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you girls so much for joining me, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah.